right, so the next thing you do, right after you're done leveling, to reiterate, the first thing you do is level the trailer. If you do not do that, if you don't make sure it's level, your food in your fridge will go rotten. Level it. Then after you're done with that, we're gonna plug it into the electricity and hook up the water. Super easy to do. Here's the cord, it's already plugged in on this end. Bring it over to the breaker. This is a 30 amp. Only put it into a 30 amp. If you come down here, it'll say 30, 20, and some will say 50, most won't. Your options are 30 or 20. This will only fit into the 30 amp, but you always make sure that it's off when you plug it in for safety reasons. Make sure it's off. Plug it in, pop it on. You can't hear it, but our music just turned on. Good to go. Second thing you do to get water. Get the hose. Now this hose is only to be used to plug in for drinking water or water that you will use in the RV. Don't use it to water anything. Don't use it to turn on a sprinkler, none of that kind of stuff. We'll have a separate hose for you available to do that kind of stuff. Otherwise, you're not gonna like the water you're drinking. So, first, into the city water connection. Don't put it into freshwater tank fill. I'll show you how to do that separately if you're dry camping or boondocking, but this is just for if you're at a campsite. Spin to the right to tighten, or spin to the left to tighten, sorry. Tightening by hand is sufficient, so hand tight is good. Then on this end, make sure, so this is a RV water filter. It cleans the water. It doesn't necessarily make it tasty, so I recommend either bringing drinking water or bringing an additional filter for the water you want to drink. It's plenty safe, it's just not, it tastes funny. Got to make sure you don't get it cross-threaded. You'll know it's cross-threaded because it will not be sealed and water will be shooting everywhere. Voila.